I'd like to automate this presentation so I don't have to click the mouse button to move from slide to slide. So the first thing I'll do is go to the View tab. I'll switch to the Slide Sorter view. I'll click on the second slide because that's where I want the first transition to appear. Then I'll go to Transitions and I'll pick whatever transition I'd like. And then if I'd like it to be automated, at the far right in the Advanced slide, I'll uncheck on mouse click and I'll check After. And I'll set it to 1 second for this example. I'll select the next slide, but I don't want a transition, but I do want it to automatically advance. So I'll uncheck on mouse click, I'll check After, and I'll add 1 second. And then for the fourth slide, I'll add a transition. I'll uncheck the mouse click and set that to 1 second as well. I'll start the slideshow and I'll run it from the beginning. And now it will automatically move from slide to slide every second.